Best Bajaj ceiling fan. Number 5. Bajaj Regal Gold NXG 4 blade matte ivory 1200 mm ceiling fan. Approx price 2989 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm. Power 65 watt. Air delivery 225 cm. RPM 330. Double ball bearing. Metallized ornament and body ring. Quick start high torque motor. Low power consumption. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 4. Bajaj Beauty Low SX 1200 mm ceiling fan. Approx price 3399 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm. Power 66 watt. Air delivery 240 cm. RPM 380. Marble finish for a premium look and feel. High speed provides high RPM. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 3. Bajaj New Bahar Deco 1200 mm ceiling fan. Ivory Bianco. Approx price 1787 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm. Power 73 watt. Air delivery 210 cm. RPM 380. Double ball bearing. Quick start high torque motor. Rebate blades. Improve blade stability. Metallized decor ornament. Rust free powder coated finish. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 2. Bajaj Floor 1200 mm ceiling fan. Approx price 1299 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm. Power 56 watt. Air delivery 205 cm. Rated speed 340 rpm. Double ball bearing. Quick start high torque motor. Rebate blades. Improves blade stability. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 1. Bajaj Maxima 600 mm ceiling fan. Approx price 1567 rupees. Sweep 600 mm. Power 66 watt. Air delivery 110 cm. High speed provides 870 rpm. Speed settings 3. Double ball bearing. Quick start high torque motor. High air delivery even at low voltage. Warranty 2 years on product. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.